Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna attempt to do an ASMR, but we're gonna do an ASMR. I have a bag. And it has a bunch of Popin cook-ins, which are candies that you have to make yourself. So it's like a DIY candy. I just got this. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Once I open it, I don't know which one. I'm gonna show all the ones I have, because I went to like a little store. I was in San Francisco, and I was looking for these. So I went to like Japantown, and I found it. So I got some. So I'm just gonna put these over there, even though they're upside down. I'm pretty sure. But anyway, pretty sure it's ASMR. I'm gonna change the angle actually so y'all can see. Okay, you're not gonna really be able to see me unless I'm like right here, so that's gonna be awkward, but you're gonna have to not see my face for a bit, so I'm just gonna put it right here. Maybe. I don't know how my editing skills are. Also, I just want to say, I have this, and a lot of folks didn't bring this to school, which is a calculator that you're supposed to have, so that's my biggest flex. I still have the one from last year to like give out, you know, to use and borrow, lend. I don't borrow, I lend. Call me a bank. I'm gonna look for scissors. Also, don't forget to wash your hands or use hand sanitizer, which you need. Also, the Target one is like, it smells really good, and it's super duper luscious. It smells better than the other ones I've had. Not that like you should smell it, but you know. Watch my ring make my entire hand green. I'm gonna take off my ring because, so I don't know the name of this, but I think it's Me Gum. That is the brand. Soft Meiji chewing gum, Poochie jelly shake, soft candy. So that's what it says right here. Okay. Super cute though. It's super cute. Anyway, I'm just gonna cut it because I'm gonna be stuck on the packaging. Poochie. I don't know what that means, but it's nice to say. I like saying, oh, I have little fruits. Anyway, in the bin. Okay. I'm gonna try and do ASMR right now, you know? And it says to stir it. I think it doesn't matter what way. It says to stir it in this way. Oh, it kind of like forced, or not forced, like became solid, so I took too long. We can just break it up. It says to just go like this, in this direction. I don't know if this is ASMR. I don't want it to like be stuck in here, so I gotta. Okay, I'm gonna continue mixing it.